All right, afternoon everybody. This is Chad Steinkamp, Northern Country Co-op, and we're going to start our plot season. Thursday, September 2nd, we're going to start out here at our 56 plot from 11 to 2, and later that evening we'll be going to our Meltonville plot from 4 to 7 that evening. We'll have a third one, and it'll be a special one. We're going to have a plot day breakfast over at our Alden location on September 8th. We're going to have good food. We'll have good prizes for people that attend, and we'll have some stations that will have good information that'll help your farming practices into the 2022 season. You got any questions? Feel free to look it up on our Facebook page. We'll have updates on there, and our website, ncountrycoop.com. And make sure you follow us on those platforms. On Facebook, our YouTube channel where we do our videos, and follow us on our podcast. Otherwise, we'll see you on Thursday.